What's going on, YouTube? Well, today in this video, I'm gonna be not showing you, but kind of bringing you along. I'm gonna be taking the parts and accessory that I've taken off my old bike. I'm gonna be putting it on my new bike here. My highway pegs, my alarm, cup holder, phone holder, and a few other little things I'll be putting on. I'm just gonna bring you along, let you watch, and kind of show you how to do. While I do it, I'm gonna be smoking a cigar. If you're interested, it's a LFD 700 Manduro, and also me having a drink right here. Drinking some Woodford Reserve and Coke. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to install is my siren, and I had to get some new Velcro because obviously the adhesive on the other one, but same thing. So take your setup bag off. This is stupid easy. There's a plug right here. It's just inside a dummy plug. This is what's going to connect to it. And then there's an empty slot right here that this is going to go into. So it's going to go in with this plug facing outward. I believe we're supposed to unplug the main fuse. Plug this guy in. And then you're supposed to take, this is basically an antenna, and then run it across the top frame rail right here, and you'll see part of the antenna with some like shrink wrap on it. That's what's going on the frame rail right here, and that's what's going to get covered up with the Velcro. Alright, taking the seat off. There's a couple zip ties on the way. Take some wax and grease remover or something to clean the surfaces, prep the surface real good. Alright, now we got it installed, put the main fuse back in, got the key fob close to it, and test it out. It's good. There's your chirp. Turn the bike off. Chirp, chirp. Take the key away from the bike. We're good. And it'll do that like 3 times if someone messes with the bike, and I think the 3rd time it'll finally just go off until the key gets by. And then you bring the key by it, turn the bike on, and it should disable it. On to the next thing. Alright, now that we got our seat off already, we're going to go ahead and put the backrest on, but I just remembered this thing I bought from somebody that I met at the Harley Davidson Museum. Pretty cool guy. He makes these things at his house, I believe. It's been like 2 years, so, but it's this deal that goes into the backrest bracket. It locks in, and it keeps from being able to squeeze the backrest from pulling it out. And that'll and then it's got a long key. Put it in there. It also removes it out, and then now you can squeeze it, pull it out, take your seat off. So this keeps people from stealing not only your backrest but also your seat. So especially you guys with those CVOs, man, this is great. I believe it was like 50 bucks, 60 bucks or something like that. But geez, like I said, those guys with those CVO seats, man, those things aren't cheap. So I'll put a picture up of the guy's business card. I don't know if he's still making it. It's literally one bolt that holds the bracket in. And I believe it's an existing hole that was in the bracket. If not, you gotta drill one hole out, but it's super easy, and yeah, it's definitely recommend. I bought one as soon as he showed it to me. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat on now for the backrest thing. Alright guys, got everything put on. So everything went on pretty smooth. Got the backrest in, the highway pegs, my phone mount and stuff, and the alarm and all that good stuff. So if you guys have any ideas or any suggestions on any other stuff that I should, see about getting, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. And anyways, but let's take a quick look. So got my backrest on, my phone holder, a cup holder. I haven't got it on there just yet, but I got the perch on. These highway pegs, I like these because they don't mount to the crash bar. I like these a little better so I can just kick my foot over. But oh, my axle caps. So, got the windscreen on. It's got a couple little nicks in it, but again, it's got like 20,000 miles on it. So yeah, there's the other highway peg. Lovely motor. So oh, speaking of the motor, one thing that I'm gonna do is with the air cleaner, I'm waiting for one more part to come in. It's the what do you call it, the the one thing I'm waiting on is the external breather kit. I bought some parts because I don't know, I've seen videos, people doing this, but I haven't found one with my video. But I think for piecing them together, I've got enough parts for it. I just need the special catch can that it comes with. So I'm going to put that on there because I don't like the fact that my motor is breathing its own shit, if you will. You know, sucking the oil out, and it goes right back in there. And I've seen pictures of carbon buildup on top of that piston. I don't like that. And I want this engine to run clean and just, yeah, I want to make it last as long as possible. Anyways, that's another video for another day. So wait for that thing to come in. It should be coming in here hopefully soon. So if you like what you see, give me a big old thumbs up. Comment down below with those suggestions. And make sure you subscribe. Stick around and see me put more stuff on it and for future rides. All right. Adios, guys.